We're going to install 3 drawers in this cabinet. I've laid it on its side and laid out how tall my drawer faces are. I've got an 8 1/4 inch tall drawer, an 8 1/4 inch tall drawer, and a 5 1/4 inch tall drawer with 1/8 inch spaces between each opening. Now I need to figure out where to put the drawer glides. I've laid out a mark 7/8 of an inch back, so I know where the drawer glide is in front to back, as I did before. I also am going to lay out a 1/4 inch up from the bottom of each drawer face for the bottom of the drawer, here, here, and here. My drawer faces, my drawers, in this case I'm going to make a 7-inch tall drawer, so I drew the center line. I have a 7-inch tall drawer and the center line, and a 4-inch tall drawer and a center line. So in each location I have a drawer, my 1/4 inch up from the bottom to the bottom of my drawer, and then found the center line for my glide. For the larger two, 8 1/4 inch drawer, a 7-inch drawer box that is a 1/4 inch above the bottom of the drawer face. So I'm going to use a spacer. So I set my first drawer glide in position, and I cut a piece of plywood to go from the bottom of my cabinet up to the drawer glide. I'll install that drawer glide with screws. I'll flip the case over. Using this jig, I'll then match the corresponding drawer glide on the other side of the cabinet. I've positioned the next drawer glide and cut my spacer down. I'll flip the cabinet over, install the other side with the jig, and I'll repeat, trimming the jig to install my lower drawer glide. And then I'll be ready to install the drawers in the case. When installing drawer slides to a center line, as you can see, I've drawn the center line on the side of this drawer box. We have elongated holes and round holes. I always attach using the elongated holes so that I can adjust my drawer glide up and down. Not only can I adjust it now, but after the drawer faces are installed, if there's any adjustment I need to do after the finish is applied, wherever your next step may be, if I need to, I can adjust up and down. When I'm finally happy with all the placement of all the drawers and hardware, I can then secure through the round holes and it'll lock everything in position. I've installed all my drawers. Now it's in time to start applying the drawer faces. I've pre-applied some double-face tape, but before I'm ready to stick them, I want to make sure everything's fitting just right. I'm going to use 1/8 inch spacers and set the first drawer in place. Add the next one. I've left my tape on here to make sure everything's going as it should. That's going to work out pretty good. So I'll apply the double face tape and install the knobs and secure the faces as I did before.